Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried Jeera rice. First, ensure you have day-old cooked basmati rice. This prevents stickiness. Next, prepare your aromatics by finely chopping 1 medium onion and about 1 inch of ginger. Measure out your spices: 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter for about 15 to 20 seconds, releasing their aroma. Then, add your chopped onions and ginger, sautéing them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step builds the foundational flavor. With your aromatics perfectly sautéed, it's time to introduce the star ingredient, the cooked basmati rice. Add the rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps gently. Sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and salt to your preference. Mix everything thoroughly but carefully, ensuring each grain is coated. Continue to fry the rice for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to heat through and absorb all those wonderful flavors. To finish your delicious fried Jeera rice, stir in a generous handful of fresh, chopped cilantro just before serving. This adds a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Serve your hot Jeera rice immediately as a perfect accompaniment to curries, dals, or even as a light meal on its own. It's truly a versatile and flavorful dish. And hey, while you're enjoying your meal, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.